Hello. Thank you all for coming. I am Jennifer Gabrielli, as if the last name didn't explain. I am Nicole's younger sister, for those on the girls' side. So, another bit about me is I like to sing, and while I'm not going to sing for you tonight, I did prepare a little bit of a musical snack. So if you would all listen up, here we go. I think it's going to be good. Two lovers in love walk down the aisle, down the aisle, down the aisle. Two lovers in love walk down the aisle, down the aisle, down the aisle. Yes, dear. Don't get wet. Cold and Blake. Clap your hands. Cold and Blake. Cold and Blake. Cold and Blake. Cold and Blake. There's gonna be a lot of toasting, so get your glasses ready. After eating a monster, cause she doesn't want to see Gabs no more. She wants Carol with chopped liver. Well, if you want Carol, this is what I'll give you. A big party, but you can't drink hard liquor. Back in time, it all started on time. Blake said he was fine, but his friends knew he was lying. Big Spoon wasn't operating. He couldn't find a match with a high-rise rating. He waited so long and said it was Megan. She was black, Nicole's two facts that we should be dating. They found love, I thought desperately. A marriage in the works, they were speculating. So they met CC down by the sea, and at the montage, she got down on one knee. He said, without you, I just can't be. So won't you be my Mrs. C? Put on this ring, pick out a dress, follow the girls, and make the guest listen on steady. But now I know that we're ready, wanna be with you forever. Let's get married. This looks like it's meant to be. So everybody, just toast with me. Raise your glasses if you're thirsty, cause tonight we're here to party. This looks like it's meant to be. So everybody, just toast with me. Raise your glasses if you're thirsty, cause tonight we're here to party. Little hellion, but I wasn't rebellious. Sorry that I was always so reckless. I just wanted to be like my big sis, but when I was wrong, she told and I yelled, snitch! We're matching, matching with fashion. Even Barb was in on the action. Let's just fashion the fact that everyone was liking our class and it was laughable. I thought it was fine, but you had enough when you turned 9. Well, in fact, na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Every Christmas we're in our pajamas and his Blake and he really seemed to linger. New center of attention, moved in for the winter. He was guessing, investing, and nesting. Nicole's it, didn't need no testing. Excuse me, attention please? Apprehension, but knew that they were meant to be. At the townhouse, down by the sea, but they wouldn't have me as a third roomie. This looks like it's meant to be, so everybody just toast with me. Raise your glasses if you're thirsty. This looks like it's meant to be, so everybody just toast with me. Raise your glasses if you're thirsty. It's the wedding of a century. New tenants there, they ain't gonna quit. Everybody's talking about this rapist Blake. You don't want to get his bucket. Royalties down and he does the dishes. Guaranteed, you grow that family tree. Pretty cute babies, we can all agree. You know Nicole wants 30 or more. Too much to pay for, so Blake says 4. Let's go, just give me some nieces and nephews so Barb doesn't fall to pieces. I'll be there day and night, rain or shine. I'm gonna treat your kids like they were mine. But sometimes it may just seem matrimony ain't what you thought it'd be. But this just means that you're growing. Advice are part of the routine. And though I'm not the first to congratulate you, I have the best toast and Bob the father. I want you both to know I love ya, and without warning, I'll pop on over. Here's a true love that works. You found someone who knows your worth. You'll change your last name, but I won't cry, cause I love you bigger than the sky. Please toast with me. Raise your glasses if you're thirsty, cause tonight we're here to party. I said this looks like it's meant to be, so everybody, please toast with me. Raise your glasses if you're thirsty. It's the wedding of the century.
special. My goodness. What an incredible, incredible toast.